In fact, Delhi continues to breathe toxic air with AQI at 350 and of course in the very poor category. The air quality is likely to be in the very poor category at least until November 14. Now, the Met conditions, of course, are likely to remain extremely unfavorable for effective dispersion of pollutants. An analysis by the Delhi Pollution Control Committee has also revealed that after GRAP Stage 2 came into force on October 22, the average AQI has remained in the upper end of the very poor range across most of the 13 identified pollution hotspots. As per Delhi Environment Minister Gopal Rai, almost every year Delhi's AQI goes to over 400, and there have been many days when the AQI in fact did go up to severe plus category, but this year the AQI has not gone up to severe category. He also cited three primary factors behind this. Listen it.
दिल्ली के अंदर जो लगातार दीर्घकालिक प्रयास किए गए, विंटर एक्शन प्लान के माध्यम से जो तात्कालिक पहलकदमियां की जा रही हैं, चाहे वो डस्ट पोल्यूशन को नियंत्रित करने के लिए हो, चाहे वो व्हीकल पोल्यूशन को नियंत्रित करने के लिए हो, चाहे वो बायोमास बर्निंग के पोल्यूशन को नियंत्रित करने के लिए हो, उसके साथ साथ पिछले सालों की तुलना में पराली जलने की जो घटनाएं हैं उनमें भी काफी कमी आई है। और तीसरा फैक्टर कि अभी भी पिछले सालों की तुलना में जो टेम्परेचर है वो अभी भी थोड़ा थोड़ा गर्मी बना हुआ है। हल्का हवा की स्पीड भी बीच बीच में चल रही है।
We have also been reporting on how the peak of the AQI that we had been expecting in November has not come in yet. The explanation for this, according to the Indian Institute of Meteorology, is, however, a little different from what the Environment Minister for the Delhi government has said. As per the Institute of Meteorology, the reason is that the temperatures are still warmer than what is normal for November, or what has been normal for November in the past years as well. While the peak numbers have not showed up, the average concentration of PM 2.5 levels, however, have remained the same. What is also concerning and was missed in the Environment Minister's remarks was also how multiple stations in the national capital continuously are recording an AQI above the severe category, in fact, and how areas are also disproportionately affected. Now, measures in those areas, the Environment Ministry had earlier also said that 10% of all the mechanical sweepers as well as water sprinklers and anti-smog guns have been installed at these stations in order to control the AQI and to bring it to a manageable level. However, so far, we're also listening to residents now coming up and complaining about tightness in their chests and other respiratory illnesses as well.